How
unacceptable. I did not sign up for this.
Yeah, I'm not even finna do this. Like, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're gonna fix our hair as if we had a bad wash and go, or we tried some products and our hair came out like crap, like mine. Just stay tuned. But first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
My old-time subbies, congregation, the Rain Gang, Happy Curl Gang, welcome back for another video. All right, y'all, I am not going to put this brand on blast because this will be like my second time doing it. I originally did my hair to do a wash and go, and look at my hair now. So instead of panicking and just not putting a video up today, I said, what would I do if the cameras weren't rolling? And I said to myself, so I would just either put my hair in a bun or, you know, a cute hairstyle, a wrap, whatever, right? So I'm gonna show you guys what I would do, and hopefully this can help somebody else. All right, never ever try products that you are not familiar with if you're gonna be going somewhere. But if you do, okay, and you are like me and you have to go somewhere, look at my hair. Y'all see it? So normally I would just do a low bun, but I'm gonna go and do 2 buns. Make it nice and easy, very fun, cute. They're still, you know, still hot outside, still summerish. You feel me? And we're gonna make it work as if you know, as if the cameras weren't rolling. I am literally going to make a part down the center of my head. So my hair is still damp because I have product in it. Instead of washing your hair all over again, sis, I'm gonna go ahead and create a cute little style. I don't care about straight parts, but if you do, by all means, get your parts together. I'm gonna take something that I know and trust, So I know and trust Wetline. The good thing about Wetline is it goes with almost every product. I don't think I've ever found a product that just didn't mesh with Wetline. So we're gonna go ahead and just thank God on today, Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and create 2 buns. Could almost save this wash and go. Wait a minute now. Wetline got Jesus all I've been through. Look at that. My hair is just like, wow. So by this point, you know, we probably hot, stressed out, trying to rush to get, you know, to where we gotta go and stuff. Let's make this a simple thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and roll this up and out of the way. Now I am going to take my brush. So we're gonna go ahead and get our edges together, all right? We extra. I don't know. So, you know, cute little wave, right? Cute little wave. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Look at this, y'all. Like, look at this. Because you know what? Had we just worked with it, that wash and go would have been horrible. So I'd rather have my hair back, sleek and shiny and out of the way, as opposed to having a raggedy wash and go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take our savior, which is the Wetline Extreme Gel. It just always comes through. But I think if I were to apply this on top of the products, y'all, multiple products that I have already, my wash and go would just be really stiff. And you know, we're going somewhere, like literally I really am going somewhere. So that's why I just, you know, decided just to film anyway, just because, you know, things happen. This is real life, okay? And we're not gonna fret. We're not gonna fret. We're gonna fix it. And I really feel with this style that I'm getting ready to do for me and my dome, my head, my forehead, and my canvas, I really feel like this really helps the style to look really, you know, just like I tried. Like this was like the intended style. Only y'all know the truth. Only y'all know the truth. Here we go with the wet look. I already have a video on that. Check that out. There And we're going to smooth everything out. Then we're going to braid it on down like back in the day. So we have our braid. Now we're gonna go ahead and do this side. And simply creating a bun. So depending on where you're going, you can definitely rock your hair like this, okay? You know, I'm grown. I'm grown. So what makes things fun are the accessories, right? We got a little hoop action going, but since we grown, hold on. All right, since we grown, we added a red lip. Hello, how you doing? You good? So we added our hoops, we added our little, you know, jacket. I love a good like jacket, you know what I'm saying? You know, we in there, right? We changed our attitude. We got a little glistening going. We want them cool moms, you know, because I'm a mom. We want those cool moms, you know what I'm saying? Believe it or not, this is really out of my comfort zone. I just rock a back bun. And you know what? This is just a very raw video. Like, instead of giving up, y'all know I put out 2 videos a week, right? And I had it. I was done after trying what I tried. Never see my hair just be so pitiful, so dull. And I literally have to be somewhere, y'all. So I said, you know, I'm gonna keep on filming. I'm gonna show y'all what I would do. Like, I'm not gonna panic. I don't have time to wash my hair. I don't have time to try something else. Was I going for this look? Oh, hell no! Feel cute. You know, I feel like I look like I tried. I look like I didn't. I look like I'm hip. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like that. The lies. You know, hair doesn't define me. You know, if my wash and go isn't popping, it's fine. I have two buns in my head. You know, it's fine. I'm fine. I'm okay. I really wanted my wash and go to work. I'm not gonna even lie, y'all. I'm not gonna even sit here and lie. Red lip and all, I'm not gonna stress. No, we don't have time to stress. It's too hot to stress.
Ooh, it's hot.
Okay, it's too hot to stress. Let this be a video for y'all. Your hair don't come out right, don't fret. Fix it. Awesome. Okay, don't fret. You better go ahead and put the hoops on, you know what I'm saying? And make it work. So I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video and just seeing the frustration and being there and just watching this video anyway. Go ahead and give this one a thumbs up. It's just, I went through a lot for this video, and I have to go somewhere, you know. So yeah, I thank y'all so much for watching, and thank y'all for coming to my TED Talk.